I've been having reveries and heavy dreams of pleasure, and soon they'll set me free. I know where I'm meant to be. I've been known to settle for an emerald as my centerpiece. I slept, I wept to see, watered down my fantasy. You've been known to fight a greater fight and then decide to lose. This life is blinding you, diamonds I've been trying to. You've been known to hide away and I'm afraid of finding you with other sirens who stay up late enticing you. Oh, if you tide slow, you will find hope. Your smile will return to your cloud nine. We can run, fly in the sunshine as I fall for you. Surfing on the slow tide, floating with the Lorelei, Treasure Island glorified, frolicking the whole time. Find yourself in gold mines, look into her golden eyes. Sirens sing the song, alright. Never fret, we float here, music to your old ears. Embrace with no fear, I can see your frozen tears. Dry 'em up, let's go, yeah. Take a chance, you're so brave. Take a seat, you're so safe. So if you don't float away, she's still the roadway.
Twin peaks and twin waves, a bitch brave hopped on a steep punk synth wave. The fish hate the land is tired of fish legs. Leave them all hurt, I'ma give them the Bengay. The cavalcade, the ship shape, corners of poverty, empty pockets of six states. I ain't got time, seasick, the cisgate. By the witch swim, sea so it's a stay. I'ma hop at the pool, if I turn a couple heads, stay on top of the pool, cause niggas ain't official. Take a pop of the boom, copy your doom, goes down, stopping the view. I promise to you, I never really bothered to move. Pretty pop extensions, rocking the blue, dropping in June, scratch that, dropping the suits, flows of the sea. I know you niggas know how I do.
Surfing on the slow tide, floating with the Lorelei, Treasure Island glorified, frolicking the whole time. Find yourself in gold mines, look into her golden eyes. Sirens sing the song, alright. Never fret, we float here, music to your own ears. Embrace with no fear, I can see your frozen tears. Dry 'em up, let's go, yeah. Take a chance, you're so brave. Take a seat, you're so safe. So if you don't float away, please don't go. Desert sky, we float so high, washed away, and we don't know why. How do you feel when you find yourself on my island with an ocean view? Seems so real, but we know such a place won't exist alone.